friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Karen and this is the most anticipated video of the year. No, I'm just kidding, but seriously, I've been talking about this video in today for months, and it is my annual harvest party that I have here at my home, and it is so much fun. And then of course we eat a yummy dinner, and then we head out to our local maze craze, and my son-in-law Jake, he gets us through the mazes. It is so much fun. It is such a festive event that I love to do every fall season. Like I said, this is my 4th annual that I'm sharing with all of you. So it is the most perfect autumn day today. Beautiful blue skies. It's crisp outside. It's going to be a high of 68, but it's going to be rather chilly tonight. We're going to have to bundle up, but I need to get to the grocery store to get all the things that we need for tonight's party. So let's get ready to head out. Got my coffee, got my purse. Let's get shopping. Got my pork roast into the crock pot because I needed to get that in there to start cooking. I added a bunch of yummy seasonings and beer, so that's going to cook for a while. So I'm going to share with you what else I got here. So I've got my Yukon Gold potatoes. We're going to make potato stacks with a little bit of thyme and some butter. It's gonna be so good. Some little sweet treats. I got these little pumpkin spice little pretzels with like yogurt on top. And look how cute. These are Cheetos, and they're a little bag of bones. I don't know. They're a little funny shape. Something fun. I also got some pumpkin cookies and a pumpkin roll as well. And a little red wine. I just love Snoop Dogg, and I don't know. And I like this wine too. It's really good. So this is a Cab, if not yet, Cali Red. So I got that. These crackers look really delicious. Cranberry and sunflower seed. I don't know why, but I got them. Maybe not for tonight, but another time. Of course, some little festive plates and napkins. And I'm going to be making a yummy dessert with brie and with phyllo dough and apple butter. And so I got to get this in the fridge, and you need some kitchen twine for that. So I got that. And I'm also going to make my homemade barbecue sauce. So I have the molasses. And I got monk fruit, but I don't remember what that's for. I can't remember. But these were so cute that I saw. This is a gingerbread spice and a hot cocoa spice. And you can, you know, for sprinkling on top of drinks and stuff like that. Hot drinks throughout the, really throughout now, all the way through the winter. So I thought this would be sort of fun and festive. And what else? Oh, and I just wanted to share with you, this is my absolute favorite breakfast, is the Greek yogurt with the cottage cheese with a little sprinkle of cinnamon and some fresh berries. Okay, so that's going to start cooking. I'm going to get other things organized. Mark's going to be home soon. We're going to clean off the patio. And this is probably our last party of the season out there, because we're going to have to start putting everything away because it's getting towards the end of October. It's going to start getting really cold, and really for us to be hanging out there is just not going to be really happening anymore. So that's always a bittersweet time for us. But it is so beautiful outside. Let's go outside. Let me show you how pretty it is today. So of course we have not taken off the covers yet. We will do that here shortly on our furniture. But I did tell you all that maybe didn't believe me, who maybe are new to the channel, how absolutely stunning our trees look with all the gorgeous autumn hues. And when you look out here, this is just literally like picture perfect. And you can see the blue skies today. I mean, it is just so beautiful, my friends. And everything just looks so good. And I love my foam moms. They look so good still. Archie's like, Mommy, when are you going to take the covers off so I can sit out here and enjoy this gorgeous day today? But, so that is it. You'll see this all uncovered, cleaned up, and looking all festive for my harvest party tonight. Alrighty friends, so now I think I'm gonna go ahead and make the barbecue sauce. That way it just has a chance for all the flavors to come together. So what we're gonna need is, I'm gonna need a little bit of oil and a medium onion all minced up, and some molasses, and some apple cider vinegar, ketchup, mustard, onion powder. It calls for liquid smoke. I don't even like the flavor. I don't like anything that's smoky flavor, like not even a drop. I just don't like it. So I'm gonna leave that out. And some Tabasco, light brown sugar, and some salt. So we're gonna go ahead and do that on the stovetop, and then I'll just put that to the side. That way I have one less dish to worry about, because we're gonna have stacked potatoes, which are gonna be so good, but they really are best if you make them like right before serving. So I'm gonna be doing that towards the end, and as well as the one appetizer. So I've got a lot going on here. So I'm just trying to get a little bit way ahead, because I know I'm gonna really be jam-packed right before everyone gets here. And so if I can get some things checked marked off my list, that will be great. We're also going to be having pepperoni rolls and some kind of an appetizer that Grace is going to make. And I think Kim is going to make a yummy, delicious Harvard. Oh my goodness, you can tell my mind is going a million miles an hour. Harvest salad. So that's gonna be so good too. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the barbecue sauce made, and then I'm gonna start cleaning off the table and stuff outside. And I started pulling some of the things that I want to put on the table for dinner out on the patio, and I've got like some really pretty kind of glasses, goblet glasses that I want to just rinse off, because I haven't used in a while. So we're gonna get all that ready to go. And Mark did the job of shredding the pork. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. We got the barbecue sauce on, and now I just have it on warm, waiting for our guests. Alrighty friends, well, our guests are starting to arrive. Everything's smelling so good. I got the pumpkin brie with the apple butter in my little mini Our Place oven, and so the fun is going to start here in a few minutes. I'm so excited. Just a little fun, little fancy dinner music while our guests arrive. Since my guests are arriving soon, I'm gonna go ahead and make my simple appetizer, and it is a baked apple butter pumpkin brie. And so what you need is some phyllo dough. So I thawed it out just a little bit ago, and you spread some delicious apple butter on top of the phyllo dough, and then you add your brie, and then you pull the sides up and tuck them in a little bit. And then I use some kitchen twine to tie around it to give it that kind of pumpkin look. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my cute little oven here, and about 25 minutes, but just want to make sure it's nice and golden brown on top. And then once you bring it out, I will end up cutting off the string, and then you'll see here in a bit, but then I stick a cinnamon stick inside, and it's gonna be so cute. Alrighty, friends. We are here at the Maze Craze. Jake's gonna take us through. We're gonna make this quick tonight, only for the mere fact is our Guardians are in the playoffs and the guys want to get home to watch them in game 4. But I know when you're seeing this, it's gonna hopefully still be going on. But it's in a very important game. But look at how pretty this looks. Here we go. Aw, they just have it so cute. It does. I love it. And the different lights stand for like easy, harder, 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 I think. So which one?
You're gonna sell me. I'm just a guy.
No, you're our leader. Which one's like?
Hold on, Jake's checking them out.
All right.
Really are, but not super.
Left. Here we go. Oh, you have your light too? Oh my goodness. All right. See if we make it through.
Last time and I grabbed onto Mike. I scared the crap out of him.
Does it say?
Real house too. All right.
What's it say? All right. Punch card. I love the Harvest Moon. This makes it so much more fun and festive tonight. Venus? Venus is out there somewhere. Oh, there's Venus.
Oh, where?
Way out. See Venus?
Straight up?
Right
There?
there.
Oh, there.
We did it!
Nice job.
Friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me for my 4th annual harvest party. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.